For centuries, humanity has dreamed of creating intelligence beyond itself. From ancient myths to the dawn of modern computing, the idea of machines that can think has fascinated and sometimes even frightened the world. But behind every great leap, there were minds, brilliant, relentless, and visionary. This is their story. The story of artificial intelligence. Welcome to the Firsts. Discover the groundbreaking firsts that shaped history. Subscribe now and be the first to know about. Let's begin. The seeds of AI were planted long before computers existed. Charles Babbage, a 19th century mathematician, designed the analytical engine, the first concept of a programmable machine. But it was Ada Lovelace, a mathematician and visionary, who saw beyond calculations. She speculated that machines could one day manipulate symbols and even create, laying the foundation for what would later be called artificial intelligence. One man took the next step, Alan Turing. During World War II, he built machines that deciphered the unbreakable Enigma code, saving millions of lives. But Turing's mind reached further. In 1950, he proposed a test, what we now call the Turing Test, to determine if a machine could mimic human intelligence. It was a question that would shape the future of AI. 1956, a meeting that changed history. John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon gathered at Dartmouth College and coined a new term, artificial intelligence. Their goal? To build machines that could reason, learn, and act. It was ambitious, and it was just the beginning. Soon after, Alan Newell and Herbert created the logic theorist, an AI that could prove mathematical theorems. It was followed by the general problem solver, an attempt to create a machine that could think like a human. AI was taking its first steps. In the 1960s, optimism ran high. Joseph Weizenbaum's Eliza, one of the first chatbots, could mimic human conversation. But soon, reality hit hard. AI systems struggled outside controlled environments. Funding dried up. And by the 1970s, AI entered its first winter, a period of doubt and stagnation. But some refused to give up. Edward Feigenbaum and others developed expert systems, programs that captured human knowledge. These systems found success in medicine and business, but they still lacked one crucial ability: learning. Then came a breakthrough. Geoffrey Hinton and his colleagues revisited an old idea: neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these systems learned from data instead of being programmed. Though progress was slow, the seeds of modern AI had been planted. In the 1990s, Yann LeCun advanced convolutional neural networks, allowing machines to recognize images. This laid the foundation for facial recognition, self-driving cars, and more. AI was back. 1997, the world watched as IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. For the first time, AI had bested a human grandmaster. Meanwhile, researchers like Kai-Fu Lee made speech recognition a reality, paving the way for virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. By the 2010s, AI exploded. Andrew Ng and Google Brain led advancements in deep learning, making AI more powerful than ever. Self-driving cars. Real-time translations. AI was everywhere. Today, visionaries like Demis Hassabis are pushing AI beyond limits. His company, DeepMind, created AlphaGo, an AI that mastered the game of Go, thought to be impossible for machines. Meanwhile, Fei-Fei Li's work in computer vision is shaping AI's ability to perceive the world like humans. From the minds of Babbage and Turing to today's AI-driven world, this technology has reshaped humanity. Some fear it. Others embrace it. But one thing is certain, this is only the beginning. The next chapter? That is up to us. This is the end of this episode of the First's channel. Hope you liked it. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next episode.